So let me guess, your hair is damaged, you're blonde, you love being blonde, but now you're feeling a little desperate and thinking that you might need to go back dark just to have healthy hair again. Well, I'm here to tell you that going dark is not a quick fix. You won't have instantly healthy hair just because you went dark. Actually, you're gonna find that you are gonna run into a lot more issues just by going dark. Now, when you go dark after being blonde for so long, your hair is not gonna hold pigment very well, and you're gonna have to recolor it to keep it up. So, my best advice for anyone who's got blonde hair that's damaged and who is considering going dark, don't go dark, just add in some dimension, some lowlights, and stop coloring your hair so frequently. Go longer in between appointments, use good products. There's no reason that you can't have blonde healthy hair, and there's no reason you have to go dark just to get healthy hair.